In this video, we will introduce some aspects related to the plot preparation, planting, direct sowing, or planting the cuttings.
Before going ahead with a plantation, it is convenient to incorporate the nutrients. For the school garden, we recommend the incorporation of organic fertilizers or the manufacture of compost at the school itself. The doses will be about 2 kilograms per square meter. The incorporation of the compost can be done using small-scale machinery, a small tractor with a rotavator, or if that is not a possibility, it can be done manually using implements such as a hoe and rake to leave the soil loose and prepared for its sowing or planting. To establish a plantation, it is important to take into account the distance between plants and distance between rows, which will define the plantation framework. Here are some typical frameworks for different crops. In potatoes, the tuber is buried 7 to 8 centimeters deep. The furrows are arranged 0.5 to 0.7 meters apart, separating the tubers 0.3 to 0.4 meters. In this case, we will make a slightly higher groove to ensure a good burial of the tuber. In crops such as lettuces or cabbages, rows can be separated between 90 centimeters to 1 meter. In the case of artichokes, the separation between rows should be at least 1.5 to 1.75 meters. Lastly, chards and carrots are sown in banks of 2 lines of plants separated 0.5 meters. The distance between seeds inside line will be 3 centimeters for the chards and 4 to 5 centimeters in 2 staggered rows in the case of carrots.